Hello everyone. So this is the summary of the poem As Due by Many Titles by John Donne. This poem was written in 1609 and this is a sonnet and it got published in the volume Holy Sonnets Divine Meditations. Come to the text of the poem. So when the poem starts, we see that the poet is saying that there are so many reasons for him to surrender himself completely to God. Okay, as due by many titles, I resign myself to thee. The first reason is that he is God's creation. It was God who made him. Second is God created him to serve him. Okay, so he is created to serve God. Second is when he was corrupted by the original sin. Now he is basically talking about the sin which was committed by Adam and which resulted into the fall of entire humanity. So that's why he says when he was corrupted by that original sin, then Christ shed his blood for the compensation of the sin of man. Okay, I am thy son. Now he calls himself to be the son of God, made with thyself to shine. Now he says that the light of, you know, God's blessings shines within him. Okay, thy servant. Now he calls himself to be the servant of God, whose pains thou hast still repaid. Now he says that like a kind master, God has rewarded him so many times for his pains. Thy ship, thine image. Now he completely identifies with God and he says, the way a shepherd protects his sheep, similarly, he was also protected by God before Adam's downfall. Okay, and human body was the temple of God till I betrayed myself. What does it mean? Again, he's talking about original sin that before the fall of Adam, human body was the temple of God, and he protected, humans like a shepherd who protects his sheep. Okay, come to the next line. Now he's asking two questions to God. First is that now poet is feeling a kind of pain and anguish because it says that his soul has been possessed by devil. And now he says that how can God allow this devil to take possession of his soul? Okay, because God has every right on his soul, and how can God allow devil to take possession of poet's soul? Why doth he steal, nay ravish? That's thy right. And now he's asking another question that is, God has right on his soul, then how can this devil take possession of his soul? Except thou rise and for thine own work fight. Now he's appealing to God to fight with this devil so that he can get rid of this devil. Okay, because he himself finds helpless to fight with this devil. Okay, the only option he has to request to God to intervene and to make him free from this devil, to make his soul free from this devil. Oh, I shall soon despair. And if God is not going to help him, okay, then he will be full of pain and anguish, and then he will think that if God loves entire humanity, then why God is not helping him, why God is not choosing him. Okay, and Satan hates me. And now he says that this devil who has taken possession of my soul, although he hates me, but he is lazy to leave his soul. Loth means lazy. This Satan, okay, this devil is lazy to leave his soul, is not ready to leave his soul. And here the poem ends.